Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech here with Systems in Action Episode 4 featuring my Simplex 4004 fire alarm control panel. For the horn strobe on the system I have my Simplex 4903 9219 mechanical horn strobe. I have a spot for a smoke detector, but I do not have one at the moment. I also have another spot for another horn strobe, but I do not have one for this video, so I'll save that for a future test. Going down, I have my Simplex 2098-9806 duct detector test station. And then I got my Simplex 425120 mounted on a Simplex back box. So I have the system set on code 3, so let's go ahead and get started. Alarm silence, let's go ahead and reset the pull station. And before we do a system reset, we'll go ahead and quickly test the test station here. As you can see, I do have the LED wired in this time. And we'll wait for the system reset, and that'll be it for the video. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.